Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to morning market briefing. So let's start with the again, Nifty analysis. So if we see on SGX right now, we can see that market is actually, showing a gap down. So it was trading near 16,550 around, right? And it is right now showing the gap down of like 75 points, right? So if we see the Nifty chart right now, so Nifty is actually trading in a downtrend channel, right? And right now it's facing resistance somewhere around 16,800 and 16,850. These are the levels where we can see the resistance. If market is opening with a gap down, so we know that 16,500 is a very good support for the market. If market break that further, we can see the market slipping again to the lowest level, right? To be like 16,000 specifically. But we need to see how market behaves once market open, right? So if we see the built up specifically, so here you can see good longs coming up in the past few sessions, but still not a clear sign that how market is likely to behave. So probably we likely to see some unwinding happening in the Nifty, and then probably we can see that market might be going in an uptrend after that. Okay. So if we check the open interest for Nifty, so on the immediate basis, 16,800 is working as a resistance and 16,500. So this is the level. On the higher side, further we can see 17,000 is the resistance, right? Okay. Now let's come to the bank Nifty. So bank Nifty is, basically facing resistance around 35,500, and on the downside, 34,000 is a very good support as of now. So if market opens with a gap down, again we need to see like where we like to have a support, and after that, if market break further that support, we can see that market might be slipping down. Okay, so let's see how market behaves after a gap down opening, right? So on the bank Nifty side, so again on the bank Nifty also we have seen the same long build-ups, even though on the absolute side it is very good buying coming up, but same analysis as like we have in Nifty also. Simply if we say on the higher side 35,000 is the resistance, on OI basis specifically, 34,500 and 34,000 are good support. So this is the level, this 1,000-point range we can expect as of now. So 34,000 has been taken out, so we can slip towards like probably 33,000 very easily, right? Now if we come to the gainer and losers for last week, let's check the for last day specifically. Okay, so we can see GNFC has shown good upside move, and Balram Chini and Atul Auto, these are the three stocks which are top gainers. On the downside, Dalmia Bharat, Manappuram and FSL are the three top losers. Now contribution specifically, we can see the from pharma side on the higher side, and we have seen Sun Pharma Supply showing a very good upside move, and on the oil side specifically, FMCG rest neutral. So on the built up side, if we see pharma, auto ancillaries and private banks are showing a positive side of specifically longs, and auto and media are showing a short covering. Now let's move to the stocks first. So the first stock is Biocon. Biocon we have also discussed in the last session also. Stock still looks weak as of now. So 350, seems to be resistance for this stock, and 330 is a good support as of now. If that breaks, we can again see the stock may come down to like 310 and 300 level very easily. So if you see on the Biocon, the structure still looks weak as the OI suggests that it's following a short and short covering cycle. And here Biocon, has a support at 330 only and 350 is the resistance. So same level on the technical chart here also. So the stock looks weak. Second stock will go with HDFC. So HDFC also looks like on a downtrend specifically, and the stock is again taking resistance somewhere around 2300 level. So that was a important resistance as of now. 2200 is a good support for HDFC as of now. So if you see the built-up cycle specifically, the stock is showing clearly short and short covering. So it's looked like the structure is clearly weak from here. And the stock breaks. So even if you see the open interest, huge addition on 25, 24 and 2300 call options. So, and very less addition on the put side. So put writers are not that much confident as of now. So 2200 level has been taken out, so that we can see the stock can easily fall. 2300 is a resistance as of now. Okay, on the ban list side, the stock is no stock till now on the ban list side. Now let's come to the summary part. So 16,500 is a support. So this is a typo. 16,800 could be working as a resistance, right? 34,500 and 34,000 is a support for Bank Nifty, and 35,000 is a resistance, right? And the long built up specifically on the pharma, auto, ancillaries, and private banks. Short built up auto and media. Biocon, we can go and create a position below like 330. So I'll just change it. So 330 and 350 is a resistance, and 2200 for HDFC and 2300 is a resistance, right? So both the stocks look weak, okay, and we can simply go and create a position. So I'll just change these levels. So this is 16,800, okay. So just ignore this value, okay, and here it is 350. I'll just change it. Okay. So these are the levels we need to just modify, okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care. Happy trading, guys.